In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the PDAX platform and make your first trade with confidence. Whether you're new to trading or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the essential steps needed to start trading cryptocurrencies today. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll need to log in to your PDAX account and open the trade interface. Begin by visiting the website at web.pdax.ph. Once you're on the homepage and have successfully logged in, look for the trade option in the top menu and click on it. This takes you to the heart of your trading activities, where you'll make decisions and manage your assets. Now, with the trade interface open, the next task is to choose your trading pair. The trading pair represents the two currencies you'll be trading between. Let's say you are interested in trading Bitcoin with Philippine pesos. In this case, you'd select the BTC-PHP trading pair. This selection is crucial as it tells the platform exactly what type of exchange you're interested in making. After you've chosen your desired trading pair, it's time to consider the type of order you'd like to execute. PDAX offers a couple of order types to suit different trading needs. Firstly, we have the market order. It's the fastest and simplest, making it a great choice for beginners. A market order executes instantly at the current market price, allowing you to buy or sell quickly without waiting. To place a market order, simply select the market option, enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to trade, and then click either the buy or sell button. And just like that, your trade is executed immediately at the best available price. Alternatively, if you prefer more control over the price at which your order will be executed, you might consider using a limit order. With a limit order, you decide the specific price you want to buy or sell at, and your order will remain open until the market reaches that price and someone is willing to match it. This method allows for strategic planning, especially in volatile markets where price fluctuations are common. To place a limit order, select the limit option, then enter your desired price and the amount you wish to trade. Once everything looks good, go ahead and place your order. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be on your way to mastering trades on PDAX in no time. Remember, whether you choose a market or a limit order depends on your trading strategy and objectives. Take your time to explore the platform and develop your trading skills. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!